Good morning. Now, today we will start a new chapter, nervous system from your second term exam. Nervous system, as you know, that it is the system uh, which coordinates the body parts. It means we think from the brain that we have to go to school, but our legs uh, support us, support our body to go to school. So it means this nervous system is coordinate among the body organs. So what is the need of a nervous system? So there are several functions which is performed by nervous system. First is keep us informed. Keep us informed means we know that what is happening around us by the nervous system. Next is uh, in remember, yani memory, thinking, and reason out. It is due to nervous system because all these three function is the function of brain, and brain is the part of nervous system. Third, control all over the body uh, activities. So we can say that control involuntary functions, or we can say that activities. Which activities? Muscular activities. Involuntary, for example, if you eat food, so it will digest. You can't control that, you can't stop the digestion of the food as you eat your favorite dish. If you want to take taste again and again, and you think that if this dish will stay in the stomach, so we can take the taste like cattle's, but it is not possible. This type of activities is involuntary activities, but our nervous system control on involuntary activities also. Regulates involuntary activities, control all voluntary and involuntary both. We can say that voluntary and involuntary both. Voluntary means अगर हम कहीं जा भी रहे तो our brain asks us कि why we have to go there, है ना. जाना या आना या कोई काम करना, it is a voluntary activities is under the individual wills. So it controls and regulate voluntary and involuntary activities. Now, uh, unit of nervous system. Unit of nervous system. Unit of nervous system is uh, neuron. We can say that cell of nervous system, that is neuron. Neuron is the cell, type of cell. It is the longest cell in any individual's body. So neurons, you know that structure of neuron. Structure of neuron has two parts, three major parts: cell, dendrite, and axon. Hmm? Cell, dendrite, and axon. Like this.